It's a certified 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, power sliding and tilting sunroof, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.